Set the speed control slider to its fastest position for bobbin winding. Draw the thread from the spool and pass the thread around the bobbin winding tension disc. Thread through the hole in the bobbin from the inside to the outside. Put the bobbin on the bobbin winder spindle. Push the bobbin to the right. The bobbin icon appears on the LCD display. With the free end of the thread held in your hand, start the machine. Stop the machine when it has wound a few layers, and then cut the thread close to the hole in the bobbin. Start the machine again. When the bobbin is fully wound, it will stop spinning automatically. Stop the machine and return the bobbin winder to its original position by moving the spindle to the left. Remove the bobbin. Cut the thread as shown.